Hello guys, welcome to whataplant. Today I'm gonna make a bonsai forest with the dwarf jade plant, and I'm gonna show you all the process step by step. Not only that, I have something very special for you today in this video. So I want you to watch the entire video, do not skip any part or you will miss that special surprise. Now let's start making this little bonsai forest. First thing first, we need to get the pot ready. So when we get the plant out of the pot, we can repot it in a new pot right away, and don't let the roots stay out for long. So I have got this bonsai pot, and in case if you're wondering from where did I get it, I bought it from a nursery in Delhi and it costed me around 1300. Also, I had made a video on that nursery and I'll put a link in description box so you can go and check it out. Things we needed to get the pot ready are wire and mesh. And I'm gonna ready the pot so you can see the process, so let's do it. As you can see that I'm putting lots of wire, and you must be wondering why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because there will be many plants in the pot and I will need to tie them so they do not move in the pot. So make sure that you put lots of wire so you can tie each plant and fix it in the pot. So the pot is ready. Now we need to get the plants ready. And this is what I've got. And let me tell you that I've got this all in free. That's right, free. Because this is a result of pruning I have done on my previous bonsais. It's been 2 or 3 years I planted those cuttings and now you can see the result. They've grown so good. You know, this is the bonus you get when you make a dwarf jade bonsai. Now I'm gonna select some of the plants from this pot for my bonsai forest. Let's do it. So these are the plants I have selected for my bonsai forest. Now I'm gonna prune some roots of them, as they must be having some thick roots that won't be suitable for my bonsai forest. So now I need to prune the roots according to the forest, and you can see the process. So now the pot and plants are ready for repotting, so let's repot them. I'm putting my main tree at the back in the middle because what I want to create is a forest where there is a space in the front and I can see all the trees from there, or I can also put some figures there. So that's what I want to create it, and I don't know if there is a rule where a tree should be exactly. So you can also place your trees as you like, but make sure that you use different sizes of trees, so it gives a better look of forest with the small trees and big trees. So yeah, you can do that. Also, you need to make sure that you wire all the trees with the wire, because if there is a wind or anything, they can be moved, and they do not have very long proper roots right now. So it's very important to place them in a pot and fix it right there. So yeah, make sure you do that. So give enough time while selecting where to keep the trees, because it's very important that you don't just rush away. So you can just hold the trees and put it and see how it looks, or you can just tie it for a while and then see it, and you can always change it while repotting right now, but once they are placed, then it will be very difficult to change it in future. So I want you to give it enough time while deciding where to keep that particular tree in a place. Also, you need to make sure that if you're making a bonsai forest or a bonsai with dwarf jade plant, then you need to take care that you don't water it right away after repotting it. You need to at least leave it for a week and don't water it. Let it dry, let the roots dry a little bit, and then you can water it after a week. So make sure that you follow that, or it can hurt the plant if you water it right away. This is my Dwarf Jade bonsai forest, and it's been 7 days. I just water it now. I know that trees are looking very dry, and it's normal because when we don't water for a week, it becomes like that. So don't worry if your Dwarf Jade becomes like this. They will be fine in couple of weeks. I'm thinking to put sphagnum moss to enhance that forest look. So it gives a look of little grass there. And this sphagnum moss, you can get it from any nearby nursery, and you can even order it online. So I'll just put it this sphagnum moss and show you how the forest looks. So let's do it. Hey guys, you watched it how I made this little bonsai forest. What I want you to do is go and make your bonsai forest, or if you already have it, then send me the picture of them, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feature your bonsai forest in my next video. Now you can make your bonsai forest appear on my YouTube channel. You can send me your pictures on my Instagram or my email ID whataplant@gmail.com. Send it within 5 days. Also, if you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.